Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the Clarion Equalizer model and the head unit's output type, because mismatched outputs cause hum or no sound. Once done, disconnect vehicle battery to avoid shorts, then mount the equalizer near the head unit for short RCA runs. Make sure to attach the ground to a clean metal point and route the switched 12V trigger from the radio. This powers the EQ when the radio turns on. These first steps prevent noise and errant behavior down the line. Next, route the audio. Plug the head unit RCA outputs into the Clarion Equalizer inputs, keeping left/right polarity consistent so imaging stays correct. Then connect the EQ outputs to your amplifier or powered speaker inputs, because the equalizer must sit in line with signal flow. Once connected, set the EQ input sensitivity to mid-range. This avoids clipping and low-level noise, and leave the master gain low. After powering up, play test tones and fine-tune to maximize headroom without distortion. Finish by doing frequency sweeps and balancing bands to taste, because surgical cuts often fix muddiness more than boosts. Save a preset once satisfied. Make sure speaker polarity and left/right separation are intact, and secure all mounts to prevent vibration noise. If you hear a persistent hum, check for ground loops. Try a ground isolator or move the ground point. If the unit won't power, inspect the 12V trigger and the inline fuse. These final checks lock in reliability and sound.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.